Hello everyone and welcome back to St Blazing Model World. I'm Roger. I just make videos about scale model making, all sorts, not just railways, dioramas, everything. That's what I do. And I started this channel really to inspire some young people to get involved with something other than their mobile phones. And if you're around my sort of age, as you may well be, I hope you can relate to that. 2 days ago, I received what I viewed as a personal attack on my most popular video. Absolutely astonished. Um, I've no problem with people disagreeing about what I've said, my views, how you should go about achieving something in your hobby of scale model making. What I do have an issue with is somebody who, to my knowledge, they don't know me, and their opening sentence in their comment on my video is in capital letters, which should kind of, to me, indicates shouting, indicates abuse. And normally I'd take those comments down, but on this occasion I've chosen not to. And I've replied to the gentleman concerned, and you can all go to the video and see it. And if you're in any doubt, the video is about track setter, what it is and how should you use it. It was perhaps one of my earlier videos, and maybe my skills as a YouTuber weren't as honed as they could be, but nonetheless I thought it was an important topic. And so I did a video about it. If you're going to attack somebody about their video or their views, don't start off with a whole load of personal assumptions about what that person might have or may not have done in their scale model making career. It's really not good practice. As far as I know, the person that left that comment is not known to me personally, knows nothing about me, and I have made many dioramas for museums and exhibitions and all the rest of it. I don't really want to go down that road with this, but disagree with what I've said, fine. Disagree with how I've gone about achieving something, that's fine as well. I've no problem. Don't make personal assumptions about me though. Watch the video carefully and say or see what the person has said. Do not read into that video what you think you are seeing. I'm a very lucky person. I was well educated, and one of my very first lessons in education was answer the question, not the question that you read. Answer the question asked. So in this video, I talked about track setter and how it could be used to achieve solid curvature on particularly flexi track, but also set track as well. It can be used for that. I also referenced at the very beginning of that video the Peco weigh gauge for track spacing. Track spacing and curvature of our curves, they're separate issues, both designed to avoid derailments and train collisions. Whatever you do, if you wish to leave a comment, have a look at the video first. Watch it twice if need be. Don't just attack somebody. And it's even worse when you go to that person's channel hoping that you'll find the font of all knowledge that they claim to be, and lo and behold, they've got no videos. They've got 5 subscribers, probably members of their family, but there we are, 5 subscribers. Sorry, mate, you got it wrong on this one. You know who you are. wind your neck in, maybe give an apology, although you probably won't. Don't. Just don't attack us. We're just trying to spread our knowledge, share what we've learned over the years. And I'm an old man, not as old as many on YouTube, I'll admit, but I'm relatively old. And, just calm it a bit. You don't need to attack as an opening gambit. Seek advice. Ask. We're all here to help. I wish you all the best, guys and girls. Stay safe. Remember this. There is more to life than YouTube. That's a lesson I'm learning every day. Every day. And I'm not as old as many, but still, as I approach senior years, I realise there are one or two willing to attack and hide behind a keyboard when they really have done nothing themselves. Or if they have, document it. Show us, the whole community, the evidence of what you claim to be. And if you're all that, great. I'd love to learn. I want to learn more. And that's why I'm part of this community. If you're somebody who has an idea, Ivor Junction recently had a brilliant idea for a backseat. Never seen anything like it. Absolutely brilliant. Beautiful bit of work. Something out of the box. Great. Let us all learn, because that's what we're here for. That's what YouTube can offer us. It's a free platform. There's plenty of other channels out there. If you don't like mine, fine. Turn it off. Go to somewhere else. There's loads. Thousands. Hundreds of thousands. Millions. Pick something else. Whatever you do, don't just hide behind that keyboard and say, I know, I'll have a go at this, or that bloke, or this girl, or somebody else. I don't like the way they come across on screen. Fine, turn me off. I don't care. I didn't do this for you. I didn't do this for public admiration or for greatness or even for monetization, which is another big thing on YouTube. I have over 1,000 subscribers, but I'll be perfectly honest with you now, I do not have the watch time yet. I don't earn anything. And even when I get there, I'm only a very, very, very small player in our world. It is not about money to me. It really isn't. It's about spreading knowledge, information, and hopefully encouraging one or two others to join the hobby. If you're ever wondering where this channel name came from, St. Blazy Model World, I'll tell you this right now, not something I often divulge. St. Blazy is where I live, here in Cornwall. That's the first part. The Model World part came from Model World, which was an early television series presented by the late, great, in my view, Bob Sims, to give him his abbreviated surname. And it's about getting people to do something other than waste their life. I'm sorry for the rant, but it's how I feel. Take care, guys. Hope I've got your support. And if I haven't, fair enough. I'm not, it's just how I feel. Peace and love to all, as I always sign out with in my live chats as well. And hopefully we'll see you soon in happier circumstances at some blazing model world. Bye bye for now. Bye bye.